What's up guys, this is Akash and I welcome you all to the official CedCommerce channel. Today's video is all about the Indian GST extension. Indian GST extension for Magento 2 provides the functionality to apply the appropriate Indian goods and service tax rates on the products that belongs to different tax slabs. It calculates the tax accordingly and displays the tax amounts on the front-end view. The GST is applied to the products basic and globally. Therefore, no more delays and let's begin. Let us go to the admin panel. In the admin panel, let's try to configure the Indian GST. In order to do so, go to the stores, click on the configuration. In the configuration section, we can able to see three important attributes that an admin needs to set in order to use the Indian GST. Enable GST. Select yes if you want to use the GST on the products. GST IN number. Provide the GST IN number for the shop or store. Warehouse. From the drop down, an admin can select where the products are being kept. As of now, I have selected as Uttar Pradesh and click on Save Configurations. Now, let's try to add the store details. In order to do so, go to Sales, scroll down to the Shipping Settings. In the Shipping Settings, we need to fill some of the important attributes where the product is being kept. Probably we need to set the country, regions, the necessary attributes like zip, city. I have set as of now the city as Lucknow and the state as Uttar Pradesh and click on Save Configurations. Once we have done so, we will be getting a success message. Now, let's look into how the GST is being applied on the products. As of now, I have already created the product, so I will be directly taking down to the product section. Here in the product, I have created a product name as summer shirt. Scroll down. Here we can able to see two of the important attributes. First is HSN code. Enter the HSN code for the product that uniquely identifies each and every product. Second is the GST rate. Select the GST rate on the product that is levied on the product. As of now, I will be selecting as 5% and click on Save button. Thus, on the product, the GST has been applied. Now let's try to understand the GST using two of the important scenarios. First scenario could be your warehouse is being placed in another state and your order has been shipped in another state. On that case, the IGST would be applied. It means the total tax would be going to the central government. So in order to view that thing, let's go to the front end and let's see down the order. In the order section, if I scroll down, you can able to see that the shipping address here, the order has been placed in Gujarat and the warehouse is in the Uttar Pradesh. On that case, the tax would be coming down as IGST. It means that the tax will be going to the central government. Thus, of the products, 5% will be deducted to the central government. Similarly, I can able to view that thing in the invoice too. Also, when we are cancelling the product, we can able to see that the tax is still being deducted. The customer would be getting the remaining amount apart from the tax. We can able to see that thing. Now let's see the orders in the admin panel also. In the admin panel, if we scroll down, we can able to see that IGST has been applied since the billing address is Gujarat. Similarly, we can able to view that thing in the invoices and credit memo also. Let's see that thing in the invoice first. Yes, we can able to see that IGST has been applied. Similarly, in the credit memo also we can able to see this thing. Now let's try to understand the second scenario of the Indian GST. Second scenario would be when the order has been placed in the same state where the warehouse has kept. On that case, the tax would be divided into two equal half. It means one of the tax would be going to the central government as CGST and another tax would be going to the state government as SGST. It means of the total tax, both would be equally divided into half. Let's try to see this thing in the order. I am taking you down to the front end. In the front end we can able to see down to the shipping address, that the shipping address is in the same state where the warehouse has been given down. So over there we can able to see that the total tax is being divided equally into CGST and SGST. Probably we can able to see that of the 5%, 2.5 and 2.5 is deducting down and would be going to the state and the central government. Similarly, we can able to find the thing in the invoices too. Also in the cancel of an order, we can able to see that the customer would be receiving the remaining amount after the tax has been deducted. Let's try to find that thing in the admin order itself. I have came down to the admin section. In the admin section, in the orders, we can able to see that the CGST and the SGST has been applied. Similarly, let's find that thing in the invoice and the credit memos too. In the invoice we can able to see down the same thing, and similarly in the invoice we can able to see that CGST and SGST has been applied. Thus with this we come to an end of Indian GST extension. I hope you have got an understanding how Indian GST works. Till then, take care. We will be coming out with much more marketplace and Magento extensions so that you can have a clear understanding how it exactly goes on. Till then, bye bye, take care.